Major crypto update today, guys, on April 15th, as I bring you the markets are pumping today, right? What's happening? Well, we had a massive dip over the weekend with around the world, a lot of geopolitical news coming out, which is not very good for the markets. But the markets today are pumping. We're going to be covering why this is happening. We're going to be covering AVAX, Solana, Bitcoin, some COQ INU, some Kimbo, and a few others as well, guys. So we're going to be exploring why is this happening? Is this sustainable, or is this a bull trap and we're about to dump back down? So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like and hit that subscribe. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day with you guys. So let's get right to it. As you guys can see here, we got Ondo, we got Core right behind me, pumping 61%. We got Pendle up 18, Render up 15. Very, very bullish sentiment. But can this be sustained? We are right now 4 days and 8 hours away from the Bitcoin having the so-awaited event finally coming almost here. This Friday, it should be going down. And guys, is Bitcoin going to pump after this? Or is Bitcoin going to continue dumping, right? Is this a bull trap? We're going to be covering this. The greed right now is at 65. A little bit of an increase from over the weekend when we dropped down to about 61. But guys, if you are not already subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. 80% of you guys watching these videos are not subscribed. This number is going the wrong way. More people are watching, but less people are subscribing. Guys, hit that subscribe. Make sure you bring that number down. And as well, guys, over here on X at BChain Crusader, if you're not following me already, make sure you do that as well. Now, Bitcoin's price action here, as you can see, right, we had a massive move to the downside coming as low as 59,800. And if I tell you guys this gold pocket right here, shout out to CVO, my boy, for teaching me what I know. But from this swing low, right, from this low to this high, the gold pocket is right here between 59,481 and 58,700. Bitcoin front ran that, and we came back up, which is concerning. It seems like a very bullish thing, but it is concerning. Overall, I have been looking for the levels of 63 to be the first line of defense and 61 as the final defense. Right? We've wicked down here 3 times already. 1, 2, and this is the 3rd time. Could we come back down to this gold pocket? I have a feeling that we can. We can come back down. You guys have heard me talking about a $55,000 Bitcoin being possible. And the fact that we front ran this gold pocket without running it leaves an untapped level down here, which is very critical as well. Right, the gold pocket Fibonacci retracement from the top of the market to the bottom right now puts a gold pocket right around the all-time high for 2021 between 68.5 and 68.9, right below the all-time high. So right there at those levels right here. But look what happened when Bitcoin was running up today. We got stopped out at the 0.5 level of the fib at 66,857. We got stopped out. We got rejected, and now we're coming back down. If this 63 holds, maybe we'll range here sideways before tapping this gold pocket. But one of the 2 things can happen here. We can tap this gold pocket, get rejected up here at 69,000, and then come back down for this 58. These levels of 58 to 55 are still not out of the waters. But on the other hand, we've got very bullish news for Bitcoin, right? Hong Kong approves the spot Bitcoin ETF and Ethereum ETF applications, which seems like this is the savior of the bull market, and this is going to send Bitcoin to the moon. We will see, right? This is a delayed effect. We will see how much buying. They can also short it, guys. They can also short spot Bitcoin. So we will see how this plays out. Obviously, this is great news to be had before the halving event. More liquid capital being injected into crypto. Overall, as well, we got German government backed with lender LBBW partners with Bitpanda to provide cryptocurrency custody services. So overall, even though the things around the world that are happening that you guys are paying attention to right now, the governments of the world are still lining up with Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is a risk-on asset, they're still looking to expose themselves to Bitcoin as much as they possibly can. We've also got over here into the block with 1 million addresses historically acquired, 530K Bitcoin at an average price of 64,000. This area could serve as significant support, right? So right on the top of major demand zone is where we're at right now. But look what happens here. What if it breaks? And this is what I'm talking to you about. The next major demand zone is 56,000, which is the level that I'm exactly talking to you guys about over here. 56 to 55 down here, right? Lines perfectly with the TA that I'm talking to you guys about. But guys, I don't want to scare anybody, right? There's still very bullish fundamentals happening for Bitcoin. Over here on Glassnode, we also see the last 2 bull markets aggregate share of Bitcoin wealth aged less than 6 months old between 84 to 95%, indicating a saturation of new holders. So in less than 6 months, 84 to 95%, massive amounts of new holders coming in. Right now, from January 2023 to 47%, we raised from 20% to 47% today. So we're still not at the high levels of the previous bull market. So that shows that there's still a lot more room to run. As you guys can see down here, April 6th, right? This is where we're currently at right now, 47%. 2017, 2018 peak, 84%, 95%. Well, this is mislabeled. This is the 2021, 2022 bull market here. This is 84, and then the 2017, 2018 is 95%. We're currently still only 47%, so we still got a long way to go for the bull market, which I've been telling you guys, very bullish long term. Overall, very bullish. Another bullish news is Solana finally got their rollout to deal with the network congestion, right? This is a problem for Solana. They can't deal with all the meme coins, which is a big problem for me as well. Not a lot of utility on Solana besides just meme coin frenzy, congestion taking down the network. So hopefully this works out and plays out good for Solana. But Solana TA right here, we're going to be checking out. I've been telling you guys, above 138, Solana is solid. We had this massive dip, obviously, with everything that's happening around the world. We came down to 112. If you were able to scoop up down here, great buying opportunity. We're holding that 138 point of control right now, which is very, very good. Could we consolidate here? Yes. All the altcoins right now are highly dependent on Bitcoin. Depending where Bitcoin goes, the altcoins will follow. If Bitcoin goes sideways and just ranges here, maybe the altcoins have a little bit of a move to the upside. But if Bitcoin comes back down, so will the altcoins again. But meanwhile, we stay above 138. It's good, right? The biggest contender now will be then breaking back above 174. That would be very, very bullish. We break out of this range, and then we're headed towards this range once again of 212, which takes us to the all-time high of 250 for Solana. If we lose this and we lose 126 and we close below 126, right, the next big level here is going to be about $99 to $100. That's going to be 99 to 95 bucks, $100 around that area is going to be the next critical support level for Solana. Now, moving on over to AVAX, right? Avalanche. We've seen this here. I've been telling you guys that if we were lose this $41 level and fall back into this range from January, which puts us between 37 to 31, I would be buying, and I did scoop up some more AVAX here. I am disclosing that to you guys. I did scoop up some more AVAX around the 33 to $35 range. I wish it was 35K. So we'll see what happens here with AVAX as well as long with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin drops, AVAX will drop. If Bitcoin goes up, AVAX will go up. But if it continues to go through here, I'll probably continue dollar cost average, scoop up some more AVAX. That's just me. That's not me telling you guys what to do. I'm just saying that I'm looking to pack my bags of AVAX a little bit more. Also, now up next, COQ INU. Can this stay hard or is it going to go limp? Right? Real quick here, as you guys can see, we fell out of this range. I've told you guys when Bitcoin drops, the meme coins instantly melt. And that's exactly what's happened, right? It's fallen out of this range. It's come back over here to as low as 1873 with 5 zeros in the front. Found some support here. The market's kind of recovered. And now we're trying to make a climb back up to the 200 mil market cap. We will see as the markets recover. This meme coin will recover. This meme coin is not going to go away anytime soon, but definitely not looking too good in the short term, right? Kimbo as well, up 9% today. When we say COQ INU is up 5%, so it's having a little bit of a pump, guys. Up 9% today, holding some nice support here at 2406 with 3 zeros in the front. Came all the way down to this level, which is the value area high of this range. And we're kind of bouncing off of here right now. So Kimbo as well trying to hold strong, but obviously with the downturn of the market, everything has come down and meme coins feel it the most, the hardest, the quickest. So can we bounce back? Of course we can bounce back, but it's all going to be dependent on Bitcoin and what happens with the crypto markets in general. That is where the meme coins are going to go. So guys, that is my total update for the crypto market here right now. Very bullish long term. Short term, there could still be some more pain to be faced, but that's nothing to worry about, guys. That is why I'm a dollar cost averaging investor, long term investor. I'm not here for the short term action. I'm here for the long term action, but just giving you guys some heads up on what could be happening here in the short term. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that like, and drop the comments down below what you guys want me to talk about next, or anything you want me to in specific, a tutorial, whatever. Let me know in the comments. Smash those likes. Join the Crusader Army. Until next time, Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. See ya.